Chicken katsu trials for Angela Holt up at Green Court in Crosby. Temperature probe, currently 15.7 degrees, that's the ambient temperature in this room. But you'll see straight away the probe is in there. There's a minus sign, so it's minus 1.6 at the moment. I have been cutting at minus 1.8. And that's fine, the chicken is not hard, it's not frozen solid, so it's not going to bend the blade. You can actually have some play in it when you press it down. What we're using today is a blade called an adjustable cutting disc. Now unfortunately for you guys, it's the most expensive blade that Cronin makes, but it's a brilliant blade because it has a back plate, and this is so key to what you want to do to cut chicken katsu. If I take the dust cover off, you'll see all around, if I can get it right, let's just take the brake off. You'll see all around the side there, you've got dials, and that tells you how wide this blade will cut. It goes up to 12, So 12 mil is the biggest and widest cut it will do. And there's a little notch. See if we can find that notch. Excuse my dodgy camera work. There it is. You can see a notch there, and that tells you that it's currently set up to cut for 10 mil. So once we know that that's cut, it can be changed, look. So you can change it to 9, you can change it to 12 or whatever. But the notch will indicate, set it back again, exactly what that cut is. So the notch is against the 10. So, on this particular machine, we close the cover. Now also look at the tray here. This is important because you'll see here, I've just emptied it from the previous trial. There's hardly any fines in there at all. So when you see the fines from the next cut, you'll know that that's all come from this trial, and there's nothing sort of in the bottom from any previous trials. Now even though we've set the blade up to 10 mil in there, you still need to make sure that the belt and the blade are equating to 10 mil cut as well. So for a 10 millimeter cut, we need to set the blade or the knife to 50, and also it's rubbed away there, but you can actually just make out that that is 50 for the belt speed as well. So what I'm going to do now, go back to the chicken. The chicken is still 1.6, so I'll now load up the machine. I know I'm not going to get an Oscar for camera work, but the effects at the end are astounding. How about that? Right, okay. Lock off. Knife on. Flashing light on the belt says I haven't reached my knife speed yet. Now I have, now it's good to go. Belt is now running. Let's look at the results. Here we go. Now obviously there's a few breadcrumbs that have dropped off there, but the integrity of the cut and what you've got here is superb. And if you look at the coating of around the chicken, it's all there, it's not broken away. It's exactly, I think, what you're looking for. And just to make sure, if I pick this one up here and take it to the scale, if I put it here, we're looking at this 0 to 10. You can see there, it's exactly 10 mil. It's a perfect cut, exactly 10 mil. So the GS10 with the adjustable cutting disc will do the job for you, and of course that blade will also cut the avocado, so it's the one to have. It can also cut less than 10, it can go 0 to 12, but for today's setting we've done it on 10 mil. I hope that's fine. Thank you.